Do you own a 5th gen Camaro and the hood does not want to stay open? So when you open the hood and you let go, it just drops because the strut has lost its charge. Well, we're going to change that out. Show you how easy it is. All you're going to need, your new strut, screwdriver, a hold open rod, and that's it. So we're going to open the hood. Now if you're using a hold open rod, make sure that whenever you're popping these clips out, that you don't push up and let the rod fall. Otherwise the hood's going to slam down on you. So there's these little retainers. You're going to get up underneath this just with a screwdriver and just pop them out of there. Enough to where you can pop the rod end out. They slide up, but it's easier just to pop them out of there any way you can. That's all you got to do. Just get them out of your way. And then take your new one. And you don't even need to, you got your little retainers already set in there. You don't need to pull those off or anything. You just push them straight on, just like that. Okay, and if you note, this one here is angled because of the way the hood is. So now I'm going to try to do this one-handed and still keep everything in. Folks, I'm going to push up on the hood. Don't worry about the hold open rod. And there you go. Done deal. Hood now will stay open. And these struts are only like $20. I'm going to put a link to this strut in the description. $20. They'll ship it straight to your house. And from that point on, you don't have to use vice grips to hold it open. You don't have to worry about it falling on your head if you're underneath the hood working. Do not complain about the engine. I know I need to wash it. In fact, I think I'll do that right now. Alright, anyway, that's it. One quick and easy hold open rod. You do not need to unscrew, try to unscrew that or anything. You guys take care.